Hello kids, how are you? Myself Ashita. Today I am gonna teach you how to make a penguin with the help of a paper. So let's get started. First, we take a square sheet of any color which you have and which you want. Penguins are black and white in color. So we take black and white sheet. But these days, because of lockdown, stationery shops are not open. So we don't have any material and any sheet. So I have a white sheet and I colored it from the front side. But you can use any color of sheet which you want and which you have. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly, we can fold a sheet in a triangular shape. Like this. Now open it and make another triangle like this. Fold it like this. Now open it. This time we fold it like this. We make another triangle like this, but this time smaller than the first one. Now turn it from the back side and now fold its right corner and fold it like this. Now make a little triangle and make a small triangle like this, but in upside. Now do the same with the left corner. Like this. We fold it inside and we fold it upside like this. Now make a triangle from the upper side. Like this. Now fold its center part in a small triangle shape. It looks like its peak. Now cut a triangle from the other sheet color. We cut it in a triangular shape like this. And we stick it like this. You can use glue to stick it. Spread the glue and stick it well. Like this. Now we take a white sheet and cut its eyes in a circle shape. Like this. We cut 2 circles. Now paste it with the help of a glue. Paste it like this. Now we take a marker pen and make its eyes like this. You can fill the circles inside with the help of a marker pen. So it's done. Your penguin is ready. So kids, stay home, stay safe, and make this penguin like this. Bye bye.